DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector boy.
YouTube, what's good YouTube? You don't know what time it is. The man is back in the lab. Yeah man, today we're there with Young Boss himself is back at it. Yeah, kicking off the New Year weekend. You might one of the first artists me think job for the New Year still, you know. Yeah man, that job Voyage. I think I went in job this. I went in job this one now. On the second, yeah, the one named Voyage. I check it out and so I got deal with it. I was gonna react to it the day he dropped it, but they are no gang, you see me I say? Intence, there was another one, the one named Voyage, aka Old Years. We're gonna check it out and so dog with Young Boss back at it. Yo, Intence. So I hope you're active this year, dog. You see me I say Intence, yeah. Yo, your fans them out there in me G. You see me? You hope you're active this year, but we're not gonna provide much longer. Intence, Voyage. Let's get it.
Palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche, los antiguos dioses invocamos ahora, la obra de la magia.
What kind of Spanish you say, dog?
Palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche, los antiguos dioses invocamos ahora, la obra de la magia. Escucha las palabras de
What? Wait, how are you, dog? Dog, you know Spanish country.
las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche, los antiguos dioses invocamos ahora, la obra de la
God in there, man, but you got a Spanish. Spanish. Yo, if you speak Spanish, translate that for me in the comment section, gang.
magia.
Night to weed and shit time for loan vibes and one. Then you them not the time for crime, them want find a skull. Don't make you stress, get the best and you go find a club and party like a lunch. I don't meds firm like one column. I fuck up early, leaving until time I run.
Yeah, man, that's one thing I like about this game thing, man. Say, yo, do you then have time for crime? You see me, they want all a skull. You see me, I say that one shot. Alright, that's one good thing.
It's firm like one column. I fuck up early, leaving until time I run. You have to up on your guard, cause them none of love. Them want for so man go done, but that's what we can now go do. We share the money tree to the ground. We not.
That's facts. They want to see what Marga done, but that they not. That not make happen. You see me?
Go done, but that's what we can now go do. We share the money tree.
They want what Marga done, but that's how God now go do. Easy no man. Big hey.
Them none of love. Them want for so man go done, but that's what we can now go do. We share the money tree to the ground. We not dead broke, fam. Believe it. I get a youth to mind a young but to dream big. Jaja does help we need it. And we will pray and you will cry with feeling.
Yeah man, we pray. Hey, come in.
To the ground. We not dead broke, fam. Believe it. I get a youth to mind a young but to dream big. Jaja does help we need it. And we will pray.
Share the money tree to the ground. I want you, we not go dead broke. You mad? Eh? I want you believe now, man. Yes, hey, yo, this bad. Come here.
Money tree to the ground. We not dead broke, fam. Believe it. I get a youth to mind a young but to dream big. Jaja does help we need it. And we will pray and you will cry with feelings. If you are
the money tree to the ground, I want you. We might get a youth, you know, but we dream big. I want you. But I say, hey, yo, dog, this right here. This right here. I feel this right here, boy. It's a big tune. Hey, come in. Big up.
them none of love. Them want for so man go done, but that's what we can now go do. We share the money tree to the ground. We not dead broke, fam. Believe it. I get a youth to mind a young but to dream big. Jaja does help we need it. And we will pray and you will cry with feelings. If you are
Jaja just help we need it. I will pray, we cry with feelings. Come in, man. Yeah.
me, then he heal me.
Yes.
God, you know the whole I'm a witness. We say you're not fail me. I've seen it. I know for day I'm forgone, but you keep. I'm try that journey.
You alone know all of my feelings, brother. You see me with it. Hey, come on. The tuna? Intence. I saw you kick off here, me G. Come on.
Me, then he heal me. God, you know the whole I'm a witness. We say you're not fail me. I've seen it. I know for day I'm forgone, but you keep. I'm try that journey already. Then see me finger while on them Starberry Bridge. And God bless them can't hurt me. You don't know about my struggle, never contribute none. So no tell me no for live.
Tear my youth. Hey, come on.
Them Starberry Bridge. And God bless them can't hurt we. You don't know about me struggling.
God bless them can't hurt we. They don't know about we struggling. No, they never can. Hey, come here.
Never contribute none, so no tell me no for live. Better not no prank no. And get a youth and want some house and bang nuts. Somebody tell her and most one will I convert. And I just for some advice from the richest man alive. We not dead broke fam. Believe it. I get a youth mind a young but to dream big.
Come here now.
Jaja does help we need it. And we will pray and you will cry with feelings. If you hear me, then heal me. I got that you know the whole of my weakness. We say you're not fair.
God, if you hear we, then heal we. You know all our weakness. Oh, I'm telling you, man. Yeah, Jaja help because we need it, don't it? Yeah, man.
I've seen it. I know for them I'm forgone, but you keep me. Like to weed and shit and for loan vibes on one. Then you them not the time for crime, them want find a squad. Don't make your stress get the best and you go find a club and party like you know, so don't make sperm like.
Don't make the stress get to you, man. You go find a club and party till then. I'm telling you, man.
Go and call him. I fuck up early, leaving on to time I run. You have to up on your guard, cause them none alone. Them want for so man go done, but that's how we can not go do. We share the money tree to the ground. We not dead broke fam, believe it. I get a youth mind a young but to dream big. Jaja does help we need it. And we will pray and you will cry with feelings.
Come in, man.
If you hear me, then heal me. I got that you know the whole of my weakness. We say you're not fail me. I've seen it.
Yes.
I know for them.
I say you're not feel with Father because I've seen it. I really think, hey, come in, man. Realest line that. Yeah, man. Jaja, we know you not feel because we seen it. You know, hey, if you know God, hey, who know, you know. You see me and say, yeah.
I'm forgone, but you keep me.
Hablas de las brujas.
Me not fit there. Me fit gone, but you keep me. You know what I mean, man? Praise to the Most High, man.
Los secretos escondidos en la noche.
Alone,
Los
yeah.
antiguos dioses invocamos ahora la obra de la magia oculta. Escucha las palabras de las brujas. Los secretos escondidos en la noche.
Somebody who speaks Spanish, translate that. Translate that in the comment section.
Los antiguos dioses invocamos ahora la obra de la magia oculta.
Voyage. Intence. Oh, you mean, me G? That's how you kick it off. Chain Creative. VP Records. Mad. That is it. Young boss. Young badness. I say you kick off in New Year, man. That is a powerful track. Yeah, that's a powerful track right there, you know. You see me? If you don't believe I got something wrong with you, you know. You see me? I say, man, this people who will believe in what feel free if you believe in what you believe in us. Nah, judge nobody. You see me? I say, but you know, God real, you know. You see me? If you don't say God real, you know something wrong. You see me? Yeah, there's more evidence that God is real than there's not. You see me? And if you don't see that, if you can't see that, I know. I know if tell you. But yeah, man, big up first of all to the Most High, to God. You see me? Yeah, the Most High. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, shout out to God. But yeah, man, big up Intence. Yeah, really powerful track. The one named Voyage. Gang, let me know anything about the one in the comment section. Yeah, man, powerful track, man. You see me? Coming with some powerful lines and vocals and as well. You see me? Yeah, man. Like you see that from Intence, man. Yeah, man. That's a playlist song as well. Hey, yeah, some tunes, some bangers dropping today, man. Some bangers dropping since the year start, because these are all new tracks. You see me? So, yeah, man, gang. I don't know anything about the one in the comment section. If you like it, if you show that some love and support, make you know, start dancing. You know? I don't know. 2025, we're kicking off with a banger. Yeah, loving it. You see me? I say, yeah, man, gang. We know anything in the comment section. Let's chop it up. People are like going, oh, I've been slacking on Discord, gang. My bad. I didn't realize my Discord had grown that much. I didn't know that much people was over there. You see me? I say, so I checked over Discord. I'm like, oh snap, I've been slacking on Discord a little bit. My bad. I'm gonna tighten up. I have some exclusive content dropping over there. You see me? I say, let's sit tight. If you haven't joined the Discord, go join the Discord right now. I'm telling you, we lit over there. Bangers and exclusive coming. You see me? As well as you get notified whenever I'm dropping a video or whenever, you know, I'm going live. Y'all gonna get notified first. You see me? I say, so join the Discord, gang, and let's get lit, man. You don't know what time it is, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth, even when I lie.